All right, guys, welcome in. Day number 52. We started with 804, and I just took a 2-minute trade on this, just thinking that it is going to go back up. My dog is whining. My wife is having a party. He's like whining, but man, look at that. It's very, very hard. That's very hard down. I don't know that this one can win. Saturday night, I don't usually trade on Saturday night. I guess it could do it. Look at this crazy downtrend. Had a little pullback. Doesn't really show any like major signs of turning around, so I'm not sure why I called it. I think I just thought that it was pretty much overspent and that it was just gonna tank up there. I'm gonna watch it. Got 1 minute left, and I guess it could. If it finds its time to tank up and then it tanks it up, it can do it. It will do it. There's my puppy. You know, he's very excited today. Yeah, this could be it right here. This line. I don't know that I'm drawing this line. This is really an action line. It's not really a big line. It's just a action line for me. In other words, it kind of bounced off this line a couple times. It's got a lot of up pressure. Or down pressure, I mean. But it's yeah, see, that is a line. It has hit that line multiple times and bounced off. So it has bounced off that line multiple times. Let's see here. Looks like that first one will be a loss. We're going to take it up here one more time and see what happens. That first one is a loss way out there. 4-3-2. Well, see, I almost wanted to do it. We're basing off this line here, this big downtrend. But I was doing pretty good today in my other session, so hopefully this one will bounce up in 1 minute and take it up. But you know, it's doing. Oh man, it's broke through. I don't even want to watch that. I mean, if that wins, it'll be a freaking miracle. I think it's just gonna keep going, and I'm not even gonna look at it. I know that's gonna lose unless it. If it wins, it'll show me. I guess I can show you guys what it's doing. Yeah. Well. Okay, so it bounced down and bounced back up. Let's look at it in 10 seconds and see. It's got 13 seconds left. It's possible. It's got 8 seconds if it gives it a little push. But it's been having a lot of down pressure, though. 5, 4. If it can hold up here, 3, 2. Well, look at that. Look at that. Oh, look at that. That was just so scam right there. Such a scam. It was totally going to do it. It's totally going to do it. Now it's just... Yeah, it's going to go. Did you see that? Yeah, if you're watching my video, you saw that. It was in the money, and then it just tanked out of the money just for a second, then went right back in the money right after I lost. Very upsetting. But I thought I was going to lose that anyway. This one is basically like this one will be a RSI touch, basically. In a turnaround, so I'm going to try that one. That's upsetting that's a long trade too. But if this does turn around and go up, then maybe we'll take a 24 as well. Yeah, if it goes above, let's say if it gets above that line and keeps going. So overall, this does look like it's going to be in an uptrend. It's a long trade, 3 minutes it looks like. Yeah, it looks like it's probably going to climb back up. You know, it climbed back up, it shot down. Looks like it'll climb back up here. But I want to wait till it goes above this line here. This is where, or maybe even like above this line. Yeah, if it starts shooting above there, like it's gonna mean it. Like it is going to be a turnaround. If this isn't just a little pullback. Got to be careful on this one because I don't want to lose too many trades. So I'm going to get rid of I'm going to get rid of that now. Okay. This is going to be finally going to be an RSI touch right here. Okay. And I'm going to double that up right there. So that's double up on 12, RSI touch. This could be a pretty bad night. I mean, look at that. That's an RSI touch, a big RSI touch in the 30 second. Hopefully it turns around in a minute and a half. So yeah, it's possible. The 1 minute, I mean, it broke through the white line, chances are it goes back up from here and goes higher. If we're going to continue in that way, then we're going to continue in that way. If we're not, we're not, and then we're just losing trades. I mean, this could definitely be it, because it's been rising. In the 3 minute, it's got, a pretty good size trend line, kind of broke it there a little bit, but let's see what it looks like in 5. In 5, it's been rising. It's got 53 seconds. Yeah. I mean, you see, that's a pretty good position. Let's look at it in 10 seconds. It doesn't really, in 10 seconds, it's not really sure, but it could break above that white line and keep going. It's got a little bit of a backlash there. Not really sure how it's going to go. 30 seconds. We'll look at the 30-second chart and see. Yeah, that's not good. That violent push down right there is not good in 30 seconds. But maybe it's okay. It'll pop back up here. I don't want it to get any good big ideas and hit all the way down here. I don't want it to hit down there. There it goes. Holds up, holds up, holds up. There it goes. 5. Look how close it is. 2-1, and that's a win and a loss. Good. Okay. That's good. That's not bad. Still need to see this. Still need to see this through. I don't know. I don't know. This one is another one of those ones. I don't know if I want to go anymore on this one. Let's look back at this one and see what happens. Yeah, see, it never really did much else. Just in the 3 minutes, it's just been back and forth. In the 1 minute, it's just back and forth. It's all kinds of warring indicators. You got some going up, some going down. I don't really know what's going to happen there. I'll come back to that. I'll come back to this one too. So this one is breaking down. Yeah, this one is possibly going to break down here. I think if this 10-second candle just goes trashing down, then I could believe that this was going to, but it hit that line, pretty much jumped right back off that line. Do I believe it's going to actually, so it says, no, I want to go back down. No, I want to go up. No, I want to go down. No, I want to go up. No, I want to go down. No, I don't want to go down. I want to go back up. See, it's back and forth, back and forth. And it's like, nope, I don't want to go down. Don't want to go up. Don't want to go down. Just stuck right there. But it went all the way down there in 30 seconds, jumped all the way back up, then it pushed all the way back down. I could actually, yeah, I could put that there. There it says, yeah, no, I want to go down. I want to go all the way down. I'm afraid of this wick though. It's got a couple hard, tough wicks there. Yeah. I'm going to go ahead and take that one. It's not like a breakthrough yet, but it is basically got some push down. So as long as it doesn't spend too much time pushing back, I got a 1 minute trade here. This is interesting. I'm going to get rid of some of these lines. I thought it was going to do that before and it never did. Now, I think it's going to head back down to here. It's got definite down pressure here. It's got a 30-second breakthrough. If it does a 1 minute breakthrough, I'll take another trade. Take just another single trade. Yeah, it's going to have to break through though. It's going to have to break through this without getting rejected. Let's see what happens. Yeah, let's see what happens. This will be a 30-second. Yeah, it seems like a little bit of a trend tonight, but and it's definitely got some. It's definitely got some like, oh, I want to go back up. I want to go back up. I can be okay. I can be patient right here and see what happens. See, yeah, now it's kind of like saying it's going to turn back up from there. Not breaking through. Big rejection off that line right there. And now let's watch what happens if it keeps pushing back down. 790. Yeah. That's okay. I'm down a little bit from where I started. I need a win. I think I'll just stick with, I'm not doing that great tonight, so I'll just stick with my normal trades. Yeah, look at that. Let's see what it's doing in 5. Oh, yeah, it kind of went way up there. It's retracting way off the 5. Yeah, it could go back up there. I think that line right there, it kind of went above that line. I don't know if it's going to go back up to an RSI touch, but look at it. It went halfway up. It doesn't speak to me that much. It's okay. Hits this white line up here in the 1 minute. It's a 1 minute white line that it's about to touch. But in 30 seconds, it looked like it could go even higher. In 10 seconds, it does look like it wants to push higher, like maybe up to right here. If it gets up to there, I could reject it. Well, it did get up there. Yeah, it got up there one time already. Like, look at that. It's a little rejection. Hit that bottom, and it just bounced right off. I don't know if it's gonna go back down and pierce the bottom there. Let's let it play a few candles out. Let's see what this is doing. Oh, major down push. Yeah, broke through all kinds of levels from earlier and from later. I don't see anything here that makes me think like, oh yeah, definitely want to do that. See, I thought it would go ahead and go back down, but it seems like it's heading back up there. Yeah, this 10-second candle. I think this 10 seconds is going to the white line. You know, I think it's going up. So I'm just going to give it a little push right there. Kind of gutsy, but what I think it's going to do is head straight up. It's going to keep going. It wanted to push off there. I think it's going to go up to this white line. That's what I think. I only got 13 seconds for it to do it, but I think it looks like it might not do it. I should probably have taken a longer trade on one of those thoughts. Like down here. Yeah, down here I think it's going to go up. So that was a loss. Again, I'm not gaining. It was going to go back up. But it's kind of stuck in a consolidation. I guess I was a little bit high in that consolidation. This is a consolidating chart. See, it's kind of between here and here. You know, I think it's gonna go back up, but I'm not in a great position here either, am I? No, because it's like wanting to break down out of there. There it goes. There it goes. Just kind of off by a little bit here. There it goes. This one possibly could win. It's got 12 seconds. If it gives it a good shove up, it's been eluding me. My wins have really been eluding me tonight. There it's a 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, 1001. Yeah. Okay. Man, that's really nice. That was a really nice win. But, now we're in 10 seconds. This time, if it hits this line, I could call it down again. But I do think it's just sort of consolidating in a weird way. It's kind of went up there twice. Yeah, I mean, I feel like that was a pretty good put right there, but I didn't take it just because I was waiting for it to shoot up there. It shot up there multiple times. Like, I feel like it's going to break it this time. But it hasn't. It hasn't. There we go. And hopefully it doesn't break that this time. Hopefully it just shoots right down there. All right, so just kind of spinning my wheels there, up and down, see if I can get in the money a little bit here. I need to get in the money a lot, though. I'd like to see this be like a real money-making session, but I don't know. It's Saturday night, so, you know. That's interesting. Do I think that's going to break? Probably not. Look at it. It hit those lines, and now it's just heading up, heading back up. Yeah, look at that. Just heading up. Heading up. It'll get up there. I think it's going to go back down. Let's take this as not a giant amount of, well, because there's not a giant amount of what do you call that, pressure? There's not a giant amount of trending pressure tonight. So the fact that went down and it just jumped back up, you know, it's got a very, very high possibility of getting back up. Yeah, or I'm sorry, going back down. It jumped right back up there. Now it's just kind of farting around. It's going back and forth. Yeah, it goes up and then down. There's up and then I think this is going to go down actually from here too. If this wins, I'm going to take me a nice little, I'm going to wait for another jump and I'm going to take another put. But that's not looking good right there. That's really not looking good. There it goes. 10 seconds. Come on, shoot back down. Give yourself a death blow down. Death blow down. 4, 3, 2, 1, and see, that's just okay. So I'm taking a 24, which I don't know if that was like the right thing to do right there, but I feel like what's going to happen is this is going to tank. It's a 1 minute on the 24. Was that 30 seconds? Yeah, I was looking at 10 seconds. Yeah, this is dangerous. So 4 candles left, and it's still kind of farting with that top line. But it's been up there a couple times, and I think it's going to go back down. So if I win this 24, then let's see where I'll be in the money. I mean, I won't be that much in the money, really. 763 plus 46. I'll be at 809. I will have like a tiny little profit. But I don't know if I could win one more trade, then that would be great, you know. That right there looks like a pretty good trade to take. I'm going to watch this one. Yeah, 6 seconds. I think this is going to win still. 3, 2, 1. There we go. There we go. There we go. All right, we're at 809. This one right here looks really weird. I saw that one just like tanking up. Yeah. But we don't have a lot of that's definitely I'm definitely taking that one. Okay, we got an RSI breakthrough. I just saw this right here. It's just kind of pushing down, and we don't have a ton of what do we call that? Trending pressure. But this one right here, I got right on here and saw that it already broke its line, and it broke its RSI. So this is actually a textbook trade for me. I try to explain that. Oh wow, it's going out of line, going out of the money, but it had broke its RSI. It had broke this line, which I would say this is a big line. You know, I mean, it's Saturday night, so it's kind of hard to tell what it's doing. 21 seconds. This could probably still win or it could lose. And then after that, I just don't want to do anything anymore because I'm not, you know, that was a really good trade. So if we can get this to win, it's got 9 seconds. If it doesn't do like a total shoot up, this will win. And then we'll have profit. We can stop. There we go. That was an RSI break. It broke its line here. It broke its RSI there. And I got me a win, 820. Okay, so this is a win, and we're at 820. Let's look at what let's look at what we got. And, for some reason, I couldn't open this. It says it can't open it. I don't understand this. It can't open the file, and I'm really worried now that my chart is messed up. I mean, this is my chart. Like, sorry we couldn't open, so I can't open it. I don't know. I think I'm up, I started at 804 plus 820. No, 804 minus 820. So we're up $16. So we're up about 1%. We're up at about 1% right now. So I don't know. I don't know why that's not one to. I just don't know if that's going to go back up or not. It's like it kind of like stopped on that line. It's been down below there before though. So in other words, for me, if I look at this in the 3, I think this is going down from there. I think it's going to go down. Yeah, see, I think it's broke through and I'm losing position now, but I was thinking about taking another put on this. It's kind of weird though. Look how weird it is. It's had it's went down pretty far, and it's jumped back up multiple times. It's like the RSI went real wacky right here. It jumped up and then jumped back down. I don't know. I should have taken the trade then. I don't think I'll take it now. This one's weird because it hit that line twice. Hit that line. It's a real heavy line. It's staying on that line though, but it's not necessarily smart because it's staying on that line. That's that first line I remember from earlier. Staying right on that line makes me worry about that going sideways. This one is another one that has a nice RSI breakthrough, and it's getting there kind of late though. I think is that the one I was on? ZD. No, that's a different one. Different one with a nice RSI breakthrough. Yeah, it broke through RSI. Really nice RSI break. I'm going to look around for another one that's just kind of trending down to an RSI break. There's another one. Yeah, that one did break RSI. That's the one I saw earlier. Oh, yeah, and it's going to be down here on this line right here. It's a 10-minute. Yeah, we'll see if this is going to get down there. Yeah. It could end up down there, so I'm going to let it go. It's a little trendy. I'll let it go down there and see what happens. Yeah. It's kind of broken through there. It's like it wants to go down there, but it'll turn around at some point. I'm not really sure when. Thought maybe, yeah, well, that was probably, that could have been it right there. I don't know. It's kind of hard to judge that. So it's consolidating on this level down here. It could go anywhere. But I don't think it'll break that level. So if it pushes back down and hits that line one more time, we could probably take it up. There it goes. It's got some steady pressure right there. Let's take it now. Boom! Got it close enough. It's in the ballpark, way in the ballpark. 2 minutes. Looks like it's going through. So we'll see. We started at 804, so we're still in the money. But I think this is completely doable to win this because it's because of this line. This line is a big black line basically. It's that line right there. And if it really does turn around from this point, although, you know, see, it's wanted to go down there, and that line is really a big deal. If you look at it, it hit that line, and it's going to go back up from there. You know, even in 3, it looks like it's going to go back up from there. Or even in 1. 47 seconds. Even in 1. Yeah, it looks like it's volatile in the 30. It could stop right here. Like this is an interesting point right here. It could stop, but it's going through. It could retract. But it could retract there. I mean, I think I'll still win this 12, but this one right here, it's like, is it going to keep going or is it going to build up a little consolidation in here? It did build some consolidation in here before. There, 6, 4, 3, 2. I'm going to go ahead and take my 12 there. That could be another win because it's a longer trade, but I think that it's really hard off the bottom. Unless it consolidates in this area, which I don't think it's going to do. I think it's actually going to go up this way. I think it's going to go like up that direction right there. You know, it's going to go like up here. Probably up to this black line is where it's probably going to try to go. It's if it goes for it, you know. We're at 819 with that win right there. Now actually, we're at 819 right here. Whether we win or lose this, we're at 819. So we're in the money by $15 right now, which is about 0.75%. That's actually pretty good, 0.75%. And this is a pretty long trade, you know. It's rising off the bottom. Unless it gets a real bad pushback, then we should be good here. I got 1 minute. I mean, it looks like it's trying to get above there. It's rejecting off that. It could get some weird down pressure and go all the way down here. We could lose this one. But I think if it goes back up from here, then I think we're probably pretty good on that. In fact, if we think we're going to win this one for real, then we could do a double, not a double up, but a compound off the bottom. And we could really get like into our 1.5 or 2% gain. Now this one's getting dangerous because it might go to the bottom here. Let's look at it in 10 and see what it's okay. It's hit there. It could go back to the bottom here. If it gets back to this bottom, then I think I'll take a 1 minute. I think I'll take a 1 minute call off the bottom. I want to win this one though. I don't like how slow it's moving here. I want it to get its crap back together and get back up there. It's 10 seconds. Yeah, see, it's looking like it's definitely, this could definitely win or lose. I don't know. It's going to have to shoot up from this line right here. It's going to have to get like a big jolt. I got one more candle. So this candle ends, and if it takes its jolt here, then we win it. If not, we lose it. There goes. Oh, 4, 3, 2, 1, and yeah. That was just barely, right? Yeah, that was just, I missed that one by just barely. Well, let's look at this in terms of 1. It doesn't, I don't know that it's going to go anywhere. We're still in the money. came off this bottom, but then it rocked back down there. I thought it was going to go, but then it didn't. It kind of came back up. It's kind of at a dangerous spot right here. I think it's gonna launch up from here, but it's been stopping right here. This has been, this has been a tough little spot right there. It could relieve all the way down. I mean, if I want it to go up there, that's fine. I want it to go up there. It's not following any. Yeah, I think it's going to hit that and then drop back down. There we go. It stopped right there. Hopefully it doesn't try to play up pressure. Hopefully it goes ahead and hits this line and drops back. I got 1 minute on this. Get this back. We'll get that last trade back, hopefully. And hopefully it doesn't try to break that again. And at 10 seconds it looks a little weird, but then again, it did hit that level pretty hard the last time. We got 30 seconds on this one. 10 seconds looks pretty good. It's kind of consolidating up there on that high level. But if I win this one, I'm going to take it down 24. Yeah, if I win this one. If I got to be careful though, because these tend to be wanting to get out of the money right at the last second on me. 5, 4. Come on, 3, 2. Come on, hold this. There we go. There we go. That's what I wanted it to do right there. So we're at 807. Yes, this could be this could be where I pull ahead right here. If it holds this line, and it's okay if it wants to jump up there a little bit, but as long as it doesn't go beyond that line, as long as it kind of keeps bouncing back down like that. So I'm at 807 right now. Not very far on. I'm in this session by 37 minutes. Yeah, that's 37. That's funny. No, that's not funny actually. Okay, 10 seconds. It's got to hold this down. There we go. That looks like a good one. 807. Oh, that's not good. 807 plus 46. Well, we'll just count our money before it goes here. No, hold down. There we go. 853. There we go. 853 is my total on this. We started at 804. Oh my gosh. Yes. What a great session. Ending that. It was just very patient. And I wanted to take that 24, and I wanted to take that 24 without winning, but I didn't. And that's kind of been one of my downfalls, is like taking too many trades before I win them. And that was a good session. That was a $49 win. I'm up $49. I don't know what percentage that is. I think it's about 2.25%. Let's just call it up 2.25%. That was a great session. A great session at 52. I like that I was able to play off some of those earlier lines. That was really nice, and that was good. That was so good. I'm happy with that one. Hey, no matter where you are right now in your journey, you can become a profitable binary options trader. All it takes is a simple trading strategy to win trades and the ability to stick with your plan.
But it's easier said than done, especially if you're trying to do this alone. But now you don't have to do this alone. Right now, you can go to musiccitytrader.com and join me in a tribe of dedicated traders. We're on a journey together, and there's room for you today. You'll get all access to the exclusive Trading Tribe app, where you can post your progress, share your wins and losses, learn what's working from other traders, and you'll get exclusive trading sheets, strategy guides, trading journal downloads, and more. You can even participate in my special live trading sessions and even copy my trades right inside Pocket Option using the social trade feature. Go to musiccitytrader.com and join the Trader Tribe today. Success is within reach, and you're not alone. Click and join today at musiccitytrader.com.